Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Love what you drive. Before we get into unboxing this air pump, I want to just mention that this is not a paid video or a paid promotion or sponsored by Auxito, Amazon, or any other third-party affiliates. But Auxito was kind enough to send me this product for unboxing and review. So we're going to go ahead and get right into that. So this is a brand new unit. As you can see, we're going to go ahead and open it and see what's in there. They were kind enough to reach out and just ask me if I wanted to participate in making this video for them sending me this unit. So right straight on the box, it's the A301 model. It's got 5 modes: custom mode, motorcycle, ball, car, and bicycles. It also has a light. It's a charging device, and it's battery powered, which is also rechargeable. So right here it says 3 modes of LED lighting, Type-C charging, memorize the preset value, LCD dual digital display, accurate pressure measurement, and mobile power bank. Let's get in here and see what they have. I really like this box. How it's printed on here. You can see that it's this glossy photo of the pump and everything else is kind of matte. I just like how it feels in your hands. It feels nice and sturdy and durable, and it's just like very compact. Okay, so some more packaging, of course the instructions, how to use it, what the warranty is, and everything. Okay, let's put this aside. Let's look what's in here. All right, so we got this hose, quite long. Got the Type-C charging to recharge. You've got 1, 2, 3, and 4 attachments for inflatables, for bikes, motorcycles, and balls. And you have this little pouch to carry this thing in. Let's put these things aside. Let's get in here and let's take a look at this. It feels really good, very compact. Here's my iPhone 13 in comparison of how the size of it. And let's peel it off. Let's peel this off. Here it is. I really like this design. It's sleek. It feels good in the hand. And let's turn it on. You push it for 3 seconds. It goes on. Now it's got 5 modes. So right now it's showing car. Push this little thing with the arrows. Toggles through motorcycle, bike, ball, and custom. Whatever you want to do there. It does have a light, LED light. Then it's got a flashing, blinking light. And then it's got the red SOS light. 3 modes. Let's see how this is a quick connect. So all you do is put it in and you twist it. That's it. No screwing and unscrewing. That's it. Look at that. Quick. Boom. Line up the opening. Line it up. Boom. Done. And of course you got the screw in for the tires and everything else. I'm going to go ahead and turn this on and see how that sounds. Not bad. Actually, not that loud. All right, I'm gonna grab a charger. Okay, I got a phone charger. It's a USB. I'm gonna plug it in. And that's charging. can see. Okay, now some specs or some performance for this. It has an accurate digital display. It's got a compact design, very portable, very small. You saw that it's almost the size of my cell phone. It only weighs 1 pound. The battery claim or the battery life for this is 25 minutes of operating time in one charge. So they claim that this can top off your tire up to 35 psi, 12 car tires. It can top off your motorcycle tire 70 times. This can go from 0 to 120 psi for your bike tire 6 times, and they can pump up your ball at 8 psi 60 times on one battery charge of 25 minutes. That's powerful. It's got a hose that is protected from overheating. The connector on here is a 1-second connection design that you just plug and twist. It's got an auto shut off and the fast inflation capabilities, and everything that you need is included in the bag for your everyday air compressor or pumping needs. So now let's get outside and I'll show you how it can pump up my tire. Alright guys, we are outside now and I have the Auxito pump here in my hand, and we're gonna use it on this beautiful 1985 Pontiac Parisian Safari, which is a wagon and it's my project car. We're gonna go ahead and test it on this tire back here. I don't know if you can tell or not, but it is slightly, probably more than halfway flat. And what I like about this one and the cool feature is the quick connector. Just push and twist, boom, and we're done. Set up, it's connected. I'm gonna put this down to 30 psi. I'm not sure how much psi the tire is at the moment. As soon as we screw this on, it'll tell us the reading. Alright, so we are at 14.5 psi in this tire. Obviously it's more than halfway flat, but let's go ahead and power this on and let it pump up. Okay, so we went from 14 to 21.5 in a matter of only a few minutes. Obviously, to pump up the tire from 0 to 30 psi would take a while, and I'm not sure if this is capable of such, but in a few minutes, if you need to top your tire off, it's the night was cold and the temperature dropped, your tire went flat. Perfect little handy pump. Let's try it now. That bike in the background, we're gonna go ahead and try it out on those tires there. All right guys, you can see now this is my daughter's bike. Tire is completely flat. I'm gonna go ahead and push this to the bicycle. It's at 38 psi. I'm gonna go ahead and screw this on. Okay, that's at 0 psi. So this, let's see how long it'll take. There it is. Not even a minute. Not even a minute to pump up the bike tire for 38 psi. Alright, of course it can do balls, inflatables, and other things, but we're going to test out the light capability in complete darkness. Alright guys, we're inside my laundry room, complete darkness, no windows, nothing. Let's power on this Auxito A301. Push for 3 seconds. You got the bright LED screen, easy to read, big numbers. Let's push the light. There you go. There's a flashlight. Okay, now let's push the light button again. Okay, now you got the flashing mode. And we'll push it again. And that is the SOS emergency light. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn the lights on. There you go. All right, guys. So there you have it. The Auxito A301 portable compact air pump, power bank, and a light to pump up bread or tires that are completely flat. I mean, it might be a little much for this little unit, but if you got to top off the tire, bikes, motorcycles, any other inflatables, this thing definitely is capable of it. But I like its compact design. I like the fact that it does have a flashlight and the easy connect hose here. So there you go. I will link all the descriptions and the links to this unit through Amazon in the description below. And I will be giving this unit out as a giveaway, so stay tuned. Auxito, thank you for sending me this. See you guys in the next one.